Get up. Huh? Share the video, let the video go better. Espera, por favor. Yes, share the video, let the video go better. Press the notification bell. The one with the pay the website. Press the notification bell. Press the I like your thing. My papa na Oviedo, my mama na Oviedo. I come from Benin. I don't know the one with the pay there. If I don't talk, I finish. Oviedo, I just enter broken English. This time I'm not speaking, I don't speak English. Anyway, you get one video when they trade now for inside Facebook when I see yesterday. No, not this morning I see her. This morning, as I come, I see one woman when they cry, say they collect a picking for Germany. You know, say this life, what would they say? If we talk to all those women, they're teaching at their own, now right? Well, you they tossing and you at the year where the woman they tossing and they take off the 4 kids, then they take off the 4 kids. Not be you they take off the 4 kids, you they sleep with them. Now government Germany, now they take off the kids. Now they pay for the kids, now they take off the kids. You only they stay with the kids, not be you they take off them. You get 4 kids for house, man not follow them for house. If the direction where the man dey, you don't know one. Or if they deport the man, you say they deport the man go Italy. You go meet her for Italy, 4 kids. 4 kids. Government they take off them. If they look at her, you know they work. Direct now, government get the pikin. Any pikin where government they train, I they tell all people. Any pikin where government they train, you only deal with them for us as a father or mother. Now government get that money, pikin. Now government get her. You see now only one they can't live for you for inside now. Will you the pray me they give you the kids? If they give you now, you will know the direction where you work go now. You dey cry yesterday, I feel for you as you dey cry. But will you with 4 pikin go there for us? Man or did you say they deport the man? They deport and go Italy. And you not commit crime now. You not commit crime. Now person will come to see your pikin for us every day, come to see him. Maybe now I go lay the information before person come to see you like that. Before person come to say you want to help you like that, you want to help you. You know say they don't get mission. Now so they happen for our country. Only you want to go get 4 pikin for us. Man not dey there. man not deal with you. They talk say na you dey take off them, you know they work. Now government they take off them. Now this one they tell all of them. Our sister or house, now papa go there for us, you know go work. Mama go there for us, you know go work. End of the month they go dey wait for government. The day when government go come and say they want to carry their pikin, you only born am for them. Now they take care of her. You only born am for them. Now they take care of them. They just present you as a father and mother for that house. See now, these tears of see now, this morning I said the tears we don't face is 3 days or 4 days now we don't face the tears now. The man where the man dey now no fit come and say na pikin now fear no let her come there again. Since you know say the man don't deal with you before, they don't deport the man come up for that country, you are supposed to find where you go follow. Una know say we go tell una truth o. Person when I will see now just say that he go say me na go take lawyer. You see say the man he don't deal with you before, they don't know the man with you, they don't deport the man go where for come. You supposed to find your way. Now longer truth, government money. They don't collect the pikin now. Meanwhile they talk truth now. Some people they write useless comments. For now supposed to do advise all this woman. How woman will get 4 pikin for Germany. You not be only 2. If not 2, now go say good. If not 1, I go say good. 4, you know they work. You deal with man. If the man not deal with you, you say they take off. Then you say they take off. Then now government they take off. Then government now they pay their bills. Now they pay their gas bill. Now they pay their. Now they pay. They only stand as a mother for them. So if you reach the time when they want to collect what they spend money for, if you reach the time when Germany want to collect what they spend money for, they'll come collect them. They don't spend money for these children, they come. So if you reach any time when they want to collect the children, go house, they are out, they'll come collect them. So my sisters, when you see them for there now, when you get 7, when you get 5, because I just say some get 7 for there. I just say some get 2, I just say some get 3. Germany opportunity land. Now opportunity land. We don't say an opportunity now, but we're not going to do something where. If it be so the past mistake where you make down. If it be past mistake where you make down, you don't know.
Los vecinos me hablan. Los vecinos me dicen, me llaman por el móvil, me dicen que toda vez se escucha bulla. ¿Me entiendes? Vecino, todos los días lo mismo. Sí, los vecinos.
Vale, ya está.
¿Vale? No, ya está, no. Es que tienes que hacer caso, ¿vale? Porque todos los días vas haciendo lo mismo. ¿Vale?
¿El vecino en arriba?
Sí, los vecinos del bloque. Te lo digo.
¿En arriba?
Me llaman al móvil, sí.
Ah, vale, vale.
¿Vale?
Vale. ¿Ese es un señora arriba ahí?
Sí, la señora. ¿Vale?
Vale. So, one away from Mami. ¿Dónde está papi? ¿Está bien? Dale. Hasta luego.
Buen día.
So, if you be saying that the past mistake where you first made, you not go know. They'll come to do that thing now. They don't say they don't monitor it, they go. You know, say they are the police for Europe. They monitor for years. We know they know. Say as they cry yesterday, and say we will call help you. We wait there for social media. We only make noise. We not get what help we want to do. If you get better lawyer for that place, where you go take. But I believe say pikin wey Germany don't collect if they ask before they return am. So all those mothers wey dey for that country, wey get 4, get 5. If you not get wetin you dey do before, try me you go dey do am. I just say some people dey for the deportation camp now wey we not hear of them again. They not talk come out again. I hear that country, you know, where we dey for house? Where we dey for house those days? Germany not be country where they go. Germany not be country where they go dey for us that time. Now Jalamake na can save una if una wey never get paper wey get 3 pikin but get 4 pikin. If before Jalamake go come out, muna run, muna find where go. Muna find where go before Jalamake go. Who go tell una truth? Anyway when I take they tell una now, una look as a crime. Except the people who go take money, we go they deceive una. The guys with mask for life video can't deceive una. Tell una all sorts of lie. Now una go believe. I hear for inside your mouth that woman yesterday say they don't deport your husband and go Italy. Where they don't deport your husband and go Italy and they know you know the man. What is you going to wait for them? You see all the man picking, you see all for them. If not be longer truth. As I be so now, me with my woman go Germany now. Me with my woman go Germany. We'll go stay for them. We'll get 2 kids or 3 kids. They don't know me with the woman. They deport me. When I saw my woman, you even get luck. You get luck. It says most of una not the wise. Una see at one time, Germany deport 3 pikin and be 2 pikin with the woman. They deport and go Lagos. Una see that time not be so not see her. You wait they don't deport your husband since then now. Go Italy, Europe here. You supposed to make until my girl said to you know make her. You cry and I say they don't collect a 3 pikin for you. Now only the last one. They say me you see trade the last one small, they'll come carry their property. Because now they spend money, wait till they take off them. Now they get the school, wait till they take off them. Now they get food, wait till they take off them. You only the manufacturer for them, you time read or collect their thing. It get one way happen for double that time. Where the woman? Every time go the flag go Nigeria. Every time go the flag go Nigeria. Every time go the flag go Nigeria. They call the local. The woman get 4 pikin. They call the local. The day when you go Nigeria, that's why they stay. They carry the pikin for this side. They thought saying get pikin. They ask and say, whose pikin you get? Now you they take off there. You will not get work. The flag go Nigeria every day. The flag go Nigeria every day. You they take our money where they give our pikin. Take the flag Nigeria. Whether that woman get business where they do journal now, they not care to know. I bet brothers and sisters, our sisters. We know say we can't find money. We know say we can't bobo me or call. You know see me now. You know see me now. This morning I don't come out. I can't find daily bread. I can't find the bottle you both wait for area when I did. They know the work when I did work. I know Sabi I done. They know the work when I did. I don't reach here this morning. At the end of the day, anything when I say I take and go. But you did for that house. Government they pay you and the same when I go school. I get many woman friends for Germany. If they come, they say that they go school. They come, they go school. Now so you see son. Wey go call me, go say why you go say ya drop on your school na wa. I go ask and say you no get wetin you do. You go say time nobody is. It's time nobody is when you go start to do something. You will don't go drop pikin for school now. Me, you call me, I call you. You no go work or you no go. You go say time nobody is. You go drop them for school. You go drop them for school. You no get wetin they do. Now so someone say call me. Where you dey? I go say they go class. Now so someone say call me. He go say they go Kuso for that Germany. But so they will go call me. Where you did negotiate for his house. Where they go say they don't go school. I go quiet. So my sister, in a very short video, if you come across her, I pray may they give you your children. If they give you, you know the best solution to make. You know what the best step to make. Not because you can't tell you say your teeth they submit that time. You know say they don't start to try the opportunity and they don't take her now. They don't collect them now. If they fit give you all those children, I beg. Or to my girl said to, God said to, not be say one day now you're surprised in Nigeria. May God not let it happen. They don't show you first attempt. Anyone will get pikin now will not get husband. Your husband not stay for there. The best way for you, if you know say they never give you documents, you know, you see, they find where go meet your husband anywhere your husband dey. Find where go to meet him. Even though na quarrel before, nowhere they know they quarrel. They know they settle. Those days where we did for us, where we grow, they call woman they quarrel, go park go in mama house for 4 years, 5 years. You go stay for a mama house for 4 years, 5 years. Then you with the man go see the concern, they'll see come back together again. But nowadays, women where they see now today. That's why they talk to them. If I call them the new way that they call them now. That one they pay them for body. That one they pay them for body. They know they feel they stay again. You with man, your quarrel under one. Even though the woman will buy ticket for, Mona go start better life for that place. Before I reach there, in another story, go to tell the man say the man not good though. The man they beat him. The time where the man where the fuck and I go come to know the truth. You yourself you don't talk like to that woman, that man. That man not go take you serious. He go only the fuck you. You go let the fuck you the truth when I say they be. So I beg you wait there for that shoe where you know say anything government you before you get 4 pikin or 3 pikin. Your husband not there with you. If you still wear go import husband go import. But for me, woman we don't born more than 3. Where the pikin they stay with. Where the pikin they stay with for house. And not if you stay with her. Because nothing what you go do for the children where you go place them. Now so quarter go they help for them of the house. If you send the pikin message, go and bring water for me. Im mama go say you no love the pikin. Im mama go say you no love am. If you shout for the pikin, go say you no love the pikin. So that's why anyone wey don born more than 3 wey get pikin for house, I no fit stay with am. E go dey for you, I go dey my own. I no just say if wey pikin dey with am 3 pikin wey don born 3 pikin, me no fit stay with am for house. Because you no get wetin you go do wey go please the children. And the question when he go ask you end of the day, go say, do you know you are not my father? That thing they pay for body. Pikin when you come meet, he come ask you that question. Say, do you know you are not my father? He pay personally on that thing. You understand me? So my sisters, muna change una character. Since then, when they tell una, muna find man, muna get man for house. Now, I say people they quarrel with una. If you, they deport your husband go Germany, since then now, they deport her go Germany. It is the deporter go Italy. If you go meet and since then, anything wanna see, una the manager. People see there for that Germany, where they manage, and where they there for Italy, they see the manage. People there for Spain, yeah. Women, I know many women. They get 4 pikin, 3 pikin. They sit there with their husband. They use almost maybe now 1,000 that they receive. They manage them. If you not reach today, pikin go reach you. If you see most of us waiting for Europe today. Our papa not come Europe, our papa there for village. When we enter Europe, we go be ask for them for Benin. They pack from Benin, village come. If you not reach, your pikin go reach you. If you not feel reach now, all the struggle with the struggle, stronger for your pikin. Time they come where your pikin go come, where go give you richness. Now say be right for time, papa no reach, pikin they reach. So when all of us know, I want you to be like this, I want to be like this, I want to be like this. No. Now they cause all those things. So, since if now me as a man, I say the dog come out me for that country now, my wife said I will tell my wife, come back home. If you not come, you can't see anything when you see. All the whole problem go there for your head. If I tell, for instance, now my wife there for Germany, I say the dog deport me come Spain. I tell her, I say come back home. He say no, come. If you can't see anything, now as it happen, and all the whole blame go there for your head. Because I tell him he come house, he not come. So I beg my sisters and my brother, wait there for there. If you be man, you know say your family dey there. And this kind of occasion that they happen, say you don't get kill leg. You don't get kill leg if you be man. Try to make it under your family to come back home. Try to make order for family to come back home. You wait there for Spain now. They say me no enter Germany again. By mistake, say they can't deport that woman go as they drop the pikin for Europe. How you want to see the pikin again? You know say the pikin don't pass 5 years, 6 years for government time. Before you go come know you with their language, because now their language they go to teach her now. If you come now say you want to speak well here for I not go here. If you come now say me can speak English for I not go here. Maybe the pikin don't even know you again. So I beg my sister, my brother, and short video. Any I take put on. When I collect sense from inside sense. I know say some people can't address this matter, just they'll lose with me, just say the top pass. They not tell the truth. They not go tell you the truth. So the truth when I tell you so, if you be woman wey sit dey Germany, you know say you get 3 pikin, get 4 pikin, your husband not there with you, except you not get husband again. If you get husband, anywhere, if you feel can stay with you, by all means, he go stay with you. If you know if he stay with you or you don't get the contact with that woman talking, she say they deport your husband go Italy. If you know say they don't deport your husband from another country, Germany to any country where for come, pack your load, make you go meet am. Pack your load, anything you wanna see, wanna the manager, no where they know the quarrel. Now how me can know say if they quarrel 2 days, they don't put her for outside. Oh no, now me I can't know say even they not quarrel themselves, they don't put her for outside. Now waiting most of waiting they tell me, my papa tell me that it's not from 50 years now they take it serious. All of them now because they behave for my eye now. That's why they talk to us sometimes. Man not get shame, oh. Man not get shame. Now only woman get shame. As I did, I feel naked. Man not get shame. Oh, now only woman the shame. So I beg any part of when I throw for inside that video, it touched me yesterday when I see the video this morning where the woman they cry. Saying get 4 kids, they collect 3 for us. I not be waiting. We supposed to be here. He said, "Mo come help like me now. Not get help and forgive you. Only the one when I tell you so. Now be the help and forgive you. If I can't tell you, say I get help now, I lie talk. anything wey government dey do, they no fit follow government drag am. Only the people wey go fit help you now, na be people wey dey for that country, wey don first take for that country, wey get big lawyers. Na they you evolve like Jama first lady, like shaky mama or shakeable mama. You go evolve them, whether they get wetin they fit do for you. Na only those people you feel evolve, and the move you see there for there. You feel call all those one, whether they get me wey dey for Spain now, wey they call the whole world. Person wey dey for America not get wetin wan come help you for that side. So na only people wey dey for that country wey go fit know as they pass and you fit call. So my sister, may God let them, they will give you your pikin in Jesus' name. They will give you your pikin, because not be you born for them. Only say that they take care of the pikin. As they take care of the pikin and their property. So I pray may they give you your children, because can you imagine any government where they spend almost 1,500 for woman every month? They spend almost 1,500 for woman every day, every month. The woman not they get where they go. What do you expect? It's the government that have the keys. You only drop the keys for your body now. Government have one. Where did they follow you by? No, I dey ask you a question now. What do they follow you by now? You get for pikin, government go give you almost 1,500 every month. You know they go work, you know they go farm. You see the tossing and you get that pikin. Wait time reach. Wait time reach. If they pity for you, now they'll carry the pikin follow you. If they not pity for you, before you know what they happen, they'll just do one like this. Okay, as they do one, just sleep. Before you wake up the next morning in Lagos, where my pikin, where my pikin, where my pikin? I born for Germany, I born for Germany. I get for pikin for Germany. Now you go cry reach. Our government for us, they not even care put. Our government, they not go care put. You know, concern them. So my brothers and my sister, we dey for this shoe. They say now where they body and I did the tomato. All of una, I see the video this morning. When I dey come, I tears for the woman. No woman wey dey alive with the me self, not be government collect my pikin. Woman wey born for me, he say me not greet my pikin again. Woman wey born for me, he husband wey born for her. They say me not greet my pikin again because of social benefits, because of benefit wey they pay them. I see verse put trust say they you collect your pikin now. Government will you collect am. Nobody will know the pay. He pay me. I feel for you, madam. But if they fit give you these children now, they fit give you these children. I beg. If you know say you with your husband see day, una dey good things. Carry your load. Anything una dey see, una go dey chop am. Because money wey government dey pay you soon, and they get the children. You only dey stand as a father or you dey stand as a mother. Na truth I will tell you. So na so this video reach later in the evening, 7 o'clock. Now no say get matter wey we dey for ground. The matter wey we dey for ground, I go surface it down for us, come address the issue, come talk for the issue. Now because of the video when I see this morning, where the woman dey cry, say me we come help am, we come help am. I mean you come quit on my own, I mean not get help now, forgive you. Only the help now forgive you now, na the best the way I take talk to you now, I take talk to you now. If you get the opportunity, if they give you your children, if you get the opportunity, madam, find where go meet your husband. If you with your husband today, see that pikin to at 4 government they take care of them. Their papa dey from one corner, their papa no dey contribute, no do anything. You know say government go dey first. Government go dey first, na truth. So more change our character with the Nigerians we dey for Europe, where we dey for us. Our papa not train us. Government not train us, so we'll see they behave as our papa behave. Even though government they assist you, as a mother, as a father, but most see they find something more tangible. If not this kind of work, find out for anywhere where you dey. If not this kind of work, find out anywhere you dey. They say my brother who could night again, he go tell me not here. Our brother musician, nice singer from sing, Ukodo, or we go tell me not here. Oga kan wote wo Musa oga temete wo baro mucha or we go tell me here he go tell work here. I hear if you dey laugh me yesterday. Say me not dey worry. Now the work when I dey work, I not dey deny. I dey today me with that one will treat jam by 7 o'clock in the evening. Me on sit corner because of this woman matter when I come address, so I for just give am small, I give am pepper soup. So I know give am now in the evening 7 o'clock I come give am. So my brothers and my sister, any I take drop this message. If I drop am with vagabond, if I drop am with vagabond, mona see collect am for me from vagabond. So now they say I say sense, now they collect sense. Madam, I feel for you. I pray for you anywhere that you dey now. May they give Jama government problem. May they give Jama government problem. May they say they want to go meet their mother. May they get feeling. Say they want to go and meet their mother. Now be the prayer wey me I dey pray. Say anywhere they dey. May they get that feeling. Say they want to go meet their mother. They want to go meet their mother. Once they reach your hand now, once they give you the children now, I beg. May you look round before you pull leg go. If una see wetin dey happen for Germany for more than 2 years now, all the old women wey dey there or boys wey dey there wey dey for Aduro for there or women wey dey for Aduro for there, if una see wetin dey happen for Germany for more than 4 years 5 years, for inside coronavirus that they deport woman with the pikin go house. Now one man for Lagos now go put them for house. We know you of that woman today. I see the video one day I can't share am. One man for Lagos now put them for house. Now we don't know how they work out today. If you not see the way they take the people for inside coronavirus, if you not see what they happen for that country, I don't know why some people like me now. I mean they talk on. I don't feel come up for this thing. Mostly this janga where me dey so we are for the collector so make back so I beg. Now beg we see the beg una. We know say money the sweet to eat. We know say money the sweet to eat. I beg our mama, our sisters, wey dey for Germany, mostly the country where they pay. Muna see they find something they do at all, at all. Muna they find something they do. Maybe they don't study for this 40 days where they with you now for years. We did 40 days where they with you for years now for that Germany. Now made all these 5 years now. You know what get in art where they contribute before your husband they can't deport them. So all those kind of things they wash them. I beg our sisters, if you dey for that shoe, una know say una dey for that shoe now. I beg, we never know wetin go happen next year. We never know wetin go happen before December. May you not go dey cry. You get luck so now they give you. If they know say you not get anybody for there, as they know say you not get anybody for there, the available flats they fit put you the 4 pikin go change to their own. Except the senior pikin don grow more than 16 years, and they go separate all of them. They can't separate all of them. They know say the senior one don't grow. He don't know his mother. If they go there with her, he go to contact his mother. They'll separate all of them different way. Now only the senior one, if you get the contacts, if you don't pass 15 years, 16 years, if you get the contacts, now you'll see get that one for brain. Now you'll see know where that one is. If you know what is from 10 years, before you go get their contact, it go hard. Before their papa will come for Italy with the deport, can't take lawyer, it go hard. So all those things, my sister, my brother, I beg, if una dey do something, na short video by 7 o'clock in the evening, I'll come out. Now know the matter when they trade for ground. Now that video when I see this morning, as I see that video, it pay me well for that woman. I go tears. Hey, God, or me, I why me will not me. They can't leave the last one for them. They can't no say the last one. You go see get feeling for mama. You go to see they cry for mama. Now they leave that one for them. They carry the one we grow. They want to go teach and wait till they know. You know say Germany they teach their pikin wetin they know. They want to teach them wetin they know. So my sister, I pray anywhere you dey for this morning, I pray may God may they give you your papi. Logo, your pastor, logo. So I pray may they give you your children. May they give you. But for me, say waiting me not get one thing when I think can do now. All the old people they cry, they come meet. Now later they'll take and find viewer, they'll take and the top papa, they not get what they can do for there. Your husband now where they for Italy now, you know if he come. You know if he come now, you go there for the stress. Since yesterday now, your mind not settle. You dey work out and then you go this side, go this side. Now all those kind of things now you go call the give person, waiting they cut her. What they call her depression. You go give person depression. All those kind of things, all those kind of things, you go give person depression. So my brothers and my sister, or the mama, the one you know say the one where they talk now. Some women dey for that Germany now where they hear and where they see wetin dey happen now. They never find solution. They never find solution. They say, hey, when you go tell Apple now, one why they Apple. one if they deport pikin deport mama one time they see they deport people they see they catch people you say you no go reach here they say no this one wey happen now you say no reach where you dey maybe you fit talk and say the time wey they deport that woman that time wey they deport that woman that time maybe you wey happen to so you say hey egwagwan ọmọ ẹni gbọ́ sí ẹ but when it come happen to you now so another person go talk and follow you abeg all those things we know say money dey sweet to eat more deviate for many things na so I drop on this show I know say people dey there wey say they sabi analyze make they go analyze and finish for where I for stop or for where I talk and reach me with you no fit dey do the same thing my own must different for your own you na graduate me na illiterate thing dey different while graduate thing dey different so na so I drop the video reach my brothers and my sisters you know say me with Ivinivi we get fight we dey fight in the evening I will come out because him go dey for house for evening so if we dey for a live video me go dey for my live video we dey fight the fight so e don do this quarrel wey dey for grants it's almost 2 months dey come for social media wey social media dey shake na know say me na peacemaker as I be peacemaker na peace na make me come the fight don too hot now e don reach the time wey new generation wan come talk put the movie the house I go call you later Enoge I go call you later Lolo I go call you later Monica Tuari Abu my best customer my customer I go call you later Omobugbe Ivie I will call you later I will call all of una una know say na this peace now I fit come find for una when I lead down for all of una when I lead down for una no here una see ana today at the matter dey go e come make everywhere scatter e come make everywhere jaga so any moment from now at the movie I'll call you I'll call Enoge maybe other people don talk put before they no hear they say get the voice when you go see talk people go hear. So if you me with you go see the quarrel our quarrel for me with you go see the quarrel but the quarrel when I'll call the rest people make the two-way quarrel make everybody rest since they don't pass back offense no go work they don't pass back offense e no go work wetin we need before una know wetin we need but e don do now we don do what we do peace put so I go call all of them make the two quarrel maybe from this evening I go start to call them if I wan start to call them na live video I dey call them I no dey call them for secret o who no carry my phone na see me quarrel who no carry my phone na see me quarrel that time we still come out again we still go war am again so na so I drop the message reach una share the video make viral my sister wey dey collect the pikin I pray make they give you your pikin na only the person wey never happen to na no get feel it o like me I like my pikin die a person dey collect am for me person dey fold my hand dey go back I no dey gree I fit die because of my case so as e affect the time when I experience na as e affect me na so I dey feel for other people I say I dey feel for them so madam I feel for you they will give you your pikin they will give you all your pikin they will give you they no be you they only dey take care of them no be the get the pikin they will give you your pikin madam so make you take heart no be say you go dey follow dey fight or you go dey shout for any police station wey they put there anywhere they put them no go dey shout for there so you use sense follow them if they see gree make you come dey see your pikin every week make you come dey greet them every week take am like that for some time first maybe at times go there they will give you your pikin if they give you that time or maybe wetin make they collect the children for you now wetin make they collect the children for you now they say make you go find something they do na make they collect am you know say oyibo no dey no dey tell person something they fit your come collect am three wey grow you yourself now they say make you go you no tell you for you now you go find something they do maybe if you don find something they do now no be say they come collect that 4 pikin now they leave the small one you no get wetin you see they do the 3 they no come they come collect that 4 that 3 wey go for up wey dey for up now make you for wake up for sleep because the money wey dey pay you every month dey pay them for body you no get one contribution wey you do for them go dey pay them they come collect the grown up one they say they wan look wetin this woman wan do now na skin I dey give una school skin and I just dey give una school they say they wan come look wetin this woman wan do now whether I go find something they do and you see dey there you no get wetin you dey do you see dey sleep for inside house every morning evening you dey sleep they say una this one no serious but if they collect your children they collect 3 or they collect 2 or 4. You get their document. Find something they do whether they not give you that pikin. They must give you the pikin. They collect 3 pikin, they collect 4 pikin for you. You see they sleep for size every day. They'll say this one, not serious now, our pikin. They not give you again. So now so I drop the video. Now good morning, my brothers and my sister. Any I take drop the video, Mona collect them for me. I start to call all those people now where they say they be Kumba Alliance, where they for Facebook. We say that they do saga. I will start to call them from this evening. This quarter doesn't reach. This quarter don't last almost 2 months and a half. So te papa, mama can quarrel. Papa, daughter can quarrel. So te papa, son can quarrel. So we have to make a peace now. Peace time, all this will make a peace. So as all of the dust scatter finish, as we talk and say they go scatter finish, we'll make the peace now. When we make the peace, may everybody face their own. May everybody face their track. May everybody they do their own. And that's what we come for. We don't do and say all of them must scatter. They don't scatter now. So may everybody face their track. Everybody with your own. So in the evening we'll start to talk for the matter. We know say some people because call me more we talk for the matter. They not get sense. The people not get sense. They not the quiet. Make them look waiting what happen. All of their own. You know say Benin, some of Benin people they too like ori thing. Anything with the ori they like them. So from this evening now we'll start to see the dust scatter. Everybody don't face their own. We'll start to follow the tackle the one. May everybody face their track. What did this one they do? You know, concern you. What did this one they do? You know, concern you. I beg. Una know say some people they laugh me yesterday. Say my YouTube no green complete. More than 1 year now they say subscribe. If you be woman where they for there, you be man where they there. I beg go subscribe for Prophet Atiti Talk Show. The doctor can start to laugh me yesterday. This thing in 1 year. Now I think they cry. Say my subscribe not complete. So if you they look me, you be brothers sisters. Mona command this shame. Mona command them for my YouTube. Mona go subscribe, put immediately before the take and call laugh me second time. Now so I drop the message. God go bless all of you for money. He go bless you for evening. Any I take drop the message this morning. Waiting make me come out this morning. Now because of our sister where they collect their pikin. They collect 3, they leave 1. The husband they say the porter go Italy before. But anyway, in the evening I'll still come out for the matter. As I they come out now. Monica Atu Arian Booze. Ewa wetin okpa Edi Mofi Ida Osa for mi Goba Zuwa. Enogie Osadeye for Ewotubu. They no yero they no we no he they we no he don't we no he. Elolo Anua Joseph from okay. I will come out ya fe ko waje fun ti wa. Ya gwa lo mari pari bagbe. From one person John carry John body when I know say is good for math. No say maybe not be as I they talk for year, they talk to now for year now. If I want to make peace, not be so I take they talk again. My voice, my tune you can't change again to another pattern. That's the one I live on now. Later.